Tony, you don't need to bite Amber, you know? Poor thing. Huh? You're a bad boy. Don't be like that. Be nice. Okay, be nice to Amber. You only two in this world. No, you're jealous. Don't be jealous to her, okay? Huh? Is that nice? Be good. Hmm? You're all love, you know? Be nice. Ah, look at your eyes. It's big. Look at it small. Huh? Be nice, okay? Don't be bad boy. Because it's not very nice indeed. Okay? Hi, Amber. Come. Sony is bad. He bite the ass of Amber. Hmm? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Love, Nancy.